Looking for trusted St. Peter's locksmith services? Master Locksmith of St. Charles has mobile locksmiths in the St. Peter's area, ready to help you with immediate locksmith services. Master Locksmith of St. Charles offers locksmith near you services 24 hours a day. Our lock and key technicians are highly trained in solutions for automotive, commercial, residential customers. We have our mobile locksmiths in your area, ready to help now. Our service techs are all licensed, insured, and have gone through rigorous inspections with Google's Google Guaranteed Services program, where Google reviews our training, insurance, license, background checks, and customer reviews, all before we can be a Google Guaranteed locksmith company in St. Peters, Missouri. So, call Master Locksmith in St. Peters, Missouri at 314-400-7054, anytime day or night, for the best locksmith services in your area. Master Locksmith of St. Charles, your St. Peter's locksmith services experts.